Hey guys, welcome back in another video. This time is a watch post 1939 from COBI company, World War II historical collection. 1939 is a date of the beginning of the World War II, where the Polish army were fighting against Germany. So we have a Polish soldier in the watch post made of the wood. The set contains of 60 bricks, one figure. Let's check out the back. So we have a Browning WW2. So it's very similar to bar gun, American version. Okay, so let's open it up. Alright, so we got it. An instruction of the watch post. 3 packets of bricks. Let's build it up. So the bricks are separated. And let's start building. Okay, so I had a really fun while building it. Just look at this. It's really great. So we had the wooden planks. You can see the parts of the watch post is damaged. A little stone over here, a tree. That's really nice. So the COBI once again made a fantastic job. And here's the figure of the Polish soldier. So we have pouches of Mauser, I guess. A characteristic helmet of Polish soldier with a symbol of Polish army. And the gun. So yeah, this is great. I really like it. I hope you too. So here it is. A Polish soldier defending the outpost and waiting for the Germans come. And we have some additional parts. So that was a COBI watch post 1939. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.